Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about the life cycle of refinement. In a life, often focus on getting things done, but the real challenge is building the right thing the right way. I want to talk about through how we reach the vast machine business, factory, goal, ambition, and technical execution. The first session, I will talk about the comparison of value. The first, let's look at the big picture. We don't start with code. We start with the role, the vision of business object. The vision, goal, and research. Uh, we identify the epic with a large body of work. These are broken down the picture into the picture and finally it into the user story. The user story is a small unit of value. We use standard format a person and one to action so that value example as a register user. I want to read forgot my I want to change my password by myself so I can look in the account without connect to customer service. The next section, I will talk about the quality standard. It's in the 3C framework and invest. The first C is a card. It is a requirement laid on the Kanban board, on board, in a team and a stakeholder can see and understand about the user story. And the two C is conversation, communication. It is the most critical part is where the team and product owner, stakeholder are listening about the requirement to break down detail more and the confirmation is represent for the accepted criteria to ensure to ensure the actually ready for the user story this online image is good. The user goods must be independent. It means it can develop by freelance and release not dependency like other and negotiate. It is open to discuss during the development and the key is the value is in the benefit delivered to the customer. It's E for estimate. It is the team can understand to estimate effort for this user story. S is for small. It means smaller to develop in one stream or iteration. So T for terrible is the feature can have effect. If it doesn't miss it isn't ready for the team. The next session I will talk about the DOTPO. This is the quality gate. DOD is the definition of ready. It out the entire gate. It ensures team has everything they need to start work without figureness or development. The DOD definition of that is our as we get is our share commitment and understand to quality about when the user story is complete. Example is the code covering auto about like 95% or testing part on acceptance, and achievement. And it deployment is a statement. If they are not done, it's unavailable. It is not the user story is not done. So finally, I will talk about the technical experience. And yes, we have many technical to to implement the code in the need and requirement and code page. We can use TDD is a test driven development flow is the we will write test first and then we write code and test part. It then follow red, green, and refactor cycle. Another technique is BDB, BDD, behavioral driven development is define how the system should behavior using between the team and this need. It's a format given when then is critical step. Then we between team and stakeholder to as a project and lastly ITDD acceptance criteria user story is the user story